Hi everyone, my name is Olivia and I'm a science tutor at ANU, passionate about biology, chemistry and science communication. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a flexible folding egg. This egg can be squished and folded up, but it doesn't break. Step 1. Take your egg and with a thumbtack, puncture a small hole in the ends of each egg. Step 2. Take a skewer or a toothpick and insert it into the hole to break up the yolk. Scramble the yolk around. Step 3. Blow through one hole so the egg comes out. Step 4. Place the egg into a jar and fill up the jar with white vinegar. Hold the egg underneath to make sure it submerges. Step 5. After 3 to 4 days, your egg should look like this. Carefully take the egg out of the jar. Blow some air into one of the holes to puff up the egg. And your egg should look like this. You can fold it and gently crush it, but the egg won't break. I hope you had fun with your flexible folding egg. Now I'm going to go into a little bit of the theory behind it. The hard shell on the outside of the egg, which is made of calcium carbonate, protects the contents inside. In step 4, when we added the vinegar, we are actually adding a mixture of water and acetic acid. The acetic acid reacts with the calcium carbonate in the shell to produce a salt, water and carbon dioxide. You can see the carbon dioxide forming on the bubbles of the surface of the shell. The salt formed is calcium acetate, and of course, water is formed as well. If you have really diluted vinegar, lots of water and not much acetic acid, you might find that the shell takes longer to dissolve. This is because there is too much calcium carbonate from the eggshells for all the vinegar or the acetic acid to use up, meaning the acetic acid is the limiting reagent. So it will be used up before the calcium carbonate, the shell, is dissolved. Although the shell's dissolved, the membrane on the inside doesn't dissolve, which is what gives you the folding egg. Eggs have 2 very thin membranes on the inside of the shell, which are tightly stuck together. These hold in moisture and protect the egg further. The membranes are made of fibrous proteins, such as collagen, as well as keratin, and protein sugar complexes, such as glycosaminoglycans and glycoproteins. These proteins form a really strong structure, and as acetic acid is a weak acid, it doesn't impact the membrane. The membranes will hold their shape and you can blow it up to look like an egg. When you fold this membrane, it will stick together, but quickly return to the egg shape when you blow air into it. Hope you had lots of fun.